Right? You have to start here, so that's how you have to start. You have to go over the bar, then you have to come back down loose. You can't hang here, so you have to hang fully. You have 3 bottles of water. Alright, ready? Alright. 1, 2, 30, 40, extended, 50. Yes? That's it. 60. Up the back. 19. Alright, well done, sir. Here you go. Here's your bottle of water. So he gets 1,000, 2,000. That's $100 per pull-up. Here you go, sir. Congratulations. Alright? Per pull-up. Come on, give it a try. See how much you can do. One try. $100 per pull-up. $100 pull-up. Water, a bottle of water given to us by our sponsor. That's the Riviere water. Alright? The rules are you drink a little bit of Riviere before you go up. Okay? Alright? Listen to the rules. Every time you do a pull-up, you have to hand full. Then you have to come over the bar, come back down. 3, 2, 1, 1. Fully extend. 60, 70, 17, 25, come on, 26, you can't even do one. Come on, 27, machine, 28. Alright, so congratulations. Water, bag. That's $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, sir. There you go. All right, congratulations. You are the top number so far. All right. This is our sponsor, Riviere Water. We give you one, you get 1 bottle of water free. There you go, sir. That's yours. 1, 2, excellent, well done. Remember, water, there's your Riviere water. $1,000. Alright, next, $100 per pull-up. One more, sir. Alright, this is Riviere water by you Blake. Alright, so if you want to drink some water before you go, you don't want to drink no water, you can rest it right there, sir. You have to come fully and pull up again. Right? 7, 8, 1,000 and 100, $1,100, $100 per pull-up. There you go, sir. Congratulations. You want to be in a free box of water. Supplemental you want to pay. 14. Alright. Round it up to 15 bills. Alright, respect, sir. That doesn't count. Right? Huh? You're going to give up before trying? No. Drink some Riviere, man.
Drink some Riviere, man.
Drink some water, man. Like this water will give you some energy, right? This is the sponsor. Right? Riviere water, okay? So you get a free bottle of water. Find it. Deliver.
Find it.
Deliver.
Find it.
$100 pull up.
30, not fine.
Fresh in.
$1,300. $1,500. 15 bills, 15 pull up. Alright, so for 15 pull-ups, we have $1,500, $1,500 for 15 pull-ups. Alright, hold on. There you go. 1. 6. Fully extend. 6. Fully extend. 8. Chin up to go over bar. 1. 2. Fully extend. 16.
Nice, yeah.
Want to take some water before you go up? Good? Alright, come and carry it now. Alright. Alright, come on. 1.
My G, respect. Yeah. Right.
3. Yeah. 4. 5. Hang on. 6. Alright. Come on. 7. Good. Up. 8. Good. Come on.
Don't touch him, man, Jason.
9. Come on. One more there, man. One more there. One more, man. Come here, man. One more. Hold on. One more for the grid. 1. Ready? Up there. 10. Alright, boss. Give him a round of applause, man. Give him a round of applause, man. All right.